Healing a broken heart can be a challenging journey, but it's essential for personal growth and well-being. Here are 10 ways to help mend a broken heart and move forward with hope and resilience. Self-care. Focus on nurturing yourself by engaging in activities that bring you joy, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Taking care of your physical and emotional needs can help restore a sense of balance and self-worth. Time for reflection. Allow yourself the space to process your emotions and reflect on the relationship. Journaling or talking to a trusted friend or therapist can provide clarity and perspective, helping you gain insight into the lessons learned and areas for personal growth. Limit contact. While it's natural to want closure, limiting contact with your ex-partner can facilitate healing by reducing emotional triggers and allowing you to create new boundaries. Establishing healthy distance can provide the necessary space to focus on your own well-being and recovery. Seek support. Lean on your support network for guidance and encouragement during this challenging time. Surround yourself with friends, family, or support groups who can offer empathy, understanding, and practical advice to help you navigate the healing process. Practice forgiveness. Letting go of resentment and bitterness is crucial for moving forward and finding inner peace. Practice forgiveness, not only towards your ex-partner, but also towards yourself, recognizing that everyone makes mistakes and deserves compassion and understanding. Set new goals. Channel your energy into setting new goals and aspirations that align with your values and interests. Whether it's pursuing a new hobby, advancing in your career, or embarking on a personal journey of self-discovery, focusing on personal growth can instill a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace change. Embrace the changes that come with healing and growth, even if they feel uncomfortable or unfamiliar. View this period as an opportunity for self-reinvention and transformation, allowing yourself to evolve into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate mindfulness through practices such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to ground yourself in the present moment and alleviate feelings of anxiety or sadness. Mindfulness can help you develop greater self-awareness and acceptance, allowing you to let go of painful memories and embrace a sense of inner peace. Engage in new experiences. Step outside of your comfort zone and explore new experiences that ignite passion and curiosity. Whether it's traveling to a new destination, trying a new hobby, or meeting new people, embracing novelty can help you rediscover joy and excitement in life. Believe in love again. Lastly, remain open to the possibility of love and connection in the future, recognizing that heartbreak is a part of the human experience. Trust in your resilience and capacity to love again, knowing that each experience, no matter how painful, ultimately contributes to your growth and capacity for deeper, more meaningful relationships. Healing a broken heart takes time, patience, and courage, but by practicing self-care, seeking support, and embracing change, you can emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient than before. Remember to be gentle with yourself and trust in the healing process, knowing that brighter days lie ahead.